So the idea is to replace this traditional Indian coffee decoction maker with this complex stuff. Okay, let's see how it works. Hey guys, so this week I bought this coffee maker from Costco. So Costco Wholesale had this on sale for $20 shipped, so I got one. And this one is basically a coffee maker, can make both iced coffee and the regular one, and it's pot free, so you can just use the regular coffee powder that you get from Costco. So let's see how it is. Okay, it's all plastic, but it's 20 bucks, you know, not complaining for 20 bucks. Measuring cup and the smaller one. Okay, okay, measurements 6. Let's stop there. 6. Okay, so it goes, close that guy. I can hear the coffee percolating noise. It was quick. It's probably less than 30 seconds. I think this one moved a bit. Okay, there it is. Water is empty. Everything done. And there's your coffee. There it is. Coffee maker, 20 bucks. We really went from a simple, traditional Indian coffee maker like that, where you just put your coffee, hot water, and just press it, to this complex stuff.